If this is your first time of watching this channel, please subscribe to the channel, and thank you all for watching our videos, watching our channels, and especially the new subscribers. We thank you all. It's been an amazing journey, and this is something that I want us to take a look at. I know this has been going on in Africa for some time now, but it is about time we move forward. It is about time we change our way of doing farming, because farming has really changed, improved, progressed, developed, and it is very sad to be seeing this kind of farming going on. You go to certain places, especially people's sites, place, farm, and you realize that cows have destroyed their crops and all this kind of stuff. This is what we encounter in Ghana. And I know it is going on in a lot of African countries, and nothing is being done about it. You hear people fighting, killing, and stuff like that over their crops because some people, animals, are destroying it. They are destroying it, and it's like, it's just like that. It's just like that. Nothing is being done about it. Why are people still farming this way? Why? Why can't people develop and change their way of farming in Africa? Everywhere you go, in the streets, in the middle of the city, you see these things going on. I know that many people has done it this way for a long time, but it is about time that when the system is changing, you have to change yourself, and we can testify of this. Sementia Farms is doing a marvelous work and paving the way out. Why can't we follow step by step? These guys has no clue how they should control the animals. They just go on people's property and destroy stuff, and it looks like it's okay. People are not saying anything about it, especially what measures are the government putting in place for these things to be stopped. And even if there are measures put in place, what is the follow-up? What are the restrictions? What are the preventions? It is very important that a critical look should be taken about these stuff, because it is not helping. These areas are developing areas that people are building their houses. People are taking up projects here and there, and every day you see this kind of things going on. It is sad. It is very, very sad. I don't know, guys, but if you have any idea, if you have any knowledge, what is going on, what has been put in place, why are people still farming this way? How can this way of farming be stopped and put the animals in confinement, that they can be taken care of in a way that they will not disturb others' freedom, others' privacy? It is very important. Farming has taken a new chapter, a new look, but people are still living in the old same way. which has been a big issue, big issue, big issue. And sometimes you see these herdsmen, they are helpless. There's nothing they can do. All they have to do is to take these animals to the street to feed them. And that is all. That is all. They have no idea. They have no answers to questions that you ask them here and there. They do not. But something must be done. What is the way forward when it comes to rearing these animals? Before, there was these pigs that were being, fed around the garbage marketplace and all those sort of things. But nowadays it looks like it is not that common with the pigs, even though it is happening, but it is not that common. I believe that same way with the cows, a better look should be taken at. There should be a policy way forward so that this way of farming will change for the betterment of the people, the environment, economy, and you can name them. Sometimes you drive in the street and it is sad. Look at this. In people's houses, if your house is not fenced, you see these animals in the house, chatting with you, having conversation with you, whilst they are not invited. There should be a preventive measure for these things, especially in Africa. It is common in Africa. Ghana has to have a way forward when it comes to these animals because it is very, very disturbing and appalling. It's very disturbing. Things cannot continue this way. Things have to change. They are everywhere. In the highways, they are there. In the neighborhood, they are there. In people's farm, they are there. Why? Whose responsibility? Is it the government or the farmers? It is very important that these things should be addressed. Guys, this is just by the way. Thank you all for watching. Thank you for subscribing to this channel. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. It wouldn't cost you much. Just a click and you are in there. Let's do this together. And it will help us all in getting to a better place, better understanding, better knowledge about farming. The way forward is farming. If you have any plans going into it, don't give up. Especially those in the diaspora, don't give up. Keep pushing, and one day you will smile, even though it might not be easy, but it will pay off. God bless you all and have a good day. Keep subscribing, keep sharing, and give us a thumbs up if you like this video.